am just going to explain democratic politics, first chapter, power sharing. So first of all, you have to come to know about the meaning of power sharing. So what is the meaning of power sharing? So meaning of power sharing means share the duty or share the power. It means that every person do their duty. So best example I want to explain you from our class. Suppose that there are 50 students class. So every student share their duty. You know that class teacher divide the duty to each and every students, like our monitor, discipline monitor. Like this there are number of monitor. Same to same, best example of this power sharing you can understand from your school. You know that in our school there is one chairman. Chairman manage all the school of India. Same to same, you know that schools are divided into the principal. Every principal see the management of every school. Same to same, teachers, students, office staff, fourth class, everyone give their duty, share their duty to manage the school. Same to same, you know that every institution managed by some particular person. Main example I can give from your family. You know that suppose that in your family there are 5 or 6 members. So due to manage the family, every people give their duty, share their duty and give their contribution to the family. I think now you have understand the meaning of just like power sharing. So meaning of power sharing is, you know, that give their duty or share their duty or just like use their power. Same to same in the government also you will find that sharing the duty, giving the duty. है ना? So in this way, in Hindi we can say share the power. Sharing the power means सत्ता की साझेदारी. In government, each and every people do their work. So I think you have come to know the meaning of power sharing very better way. So in this chapter, we will understand the power sharing through the two stories. The story of Belgium and the story of Sri Lanka. Next, I will discuss about the power sharing among the different level of government, among the level of just like organs of the government. So first of all, I am just going to explain the story of Belgium. That how did people of Belgium use the power sharing and take the advantage. And here I will also explain about the story of Sri Lanka, that people of Sri Lanka did not use the power sharing. That's why people of Sri Lanka faced the civil war. So first of all, I turn about the story of Belgium. Belgium is very small and poor country. Belgium population just 1 crore, half of our Haryana, and in Belgium there were 3 ethnic groups. 3 ethnic group means French, Dutch and German. So there were 3 ethnic groups belong to different language. On the basis of language, you know that Dutch people were in the majority. They were 59% and lived in the Flemish region. Second, French people, those people who use the French language, and they were 40%, and rest of the German people represent the 1%. So there was much chances for the conflict among 3 ethnic groups, because Dutch belong to 59%, French belong to the 40%, and German belong to the 1%. And Brussels was the capital of Belgium. So In capital level, the scenario of representation was quite different. What was the difference? That Dutch people represent in whole country 59%, but they represented 20% in the Brussels, capital of Belgium. And those people who are in the minority in whole country, like French, they were 40%, but in the central level, they were 80%. And second, also difference that Dutch people were in the majority, but they were very poor. They were poor in the education, resource. They were not educated. In spite of this, French were more powerful. French were prosperous in the whole country. They were educated. They were in the job. So, in this way, we can say that there was quite chances for the conflict. But you will find that Belgian people respected the diversity. And due to this formula, due to this ideology, you will find that one prosperous, one just like country became the prosperous due to the power sharing. So here you will come to know that Belgium amended the constitution 4 times. Belgium amended the constitution 4 times. First time they made the constitution, second time they made the constitution, third time they made the constitution. And next, fourth time, they founded the proper constitution, and according to this constitution, they made 3 types of government. First, they made the central government, then state government, and then community government. So, first of all, they transferred the power from central government to state government. In this way, they elected the representative equal basis from the Dutch people and from the French people. In this way, they made the central government in the capital of Brussels. So that's why all people were very satisfied. Secondly, they made the state government. Under the state government, they selected the equal minister from the both sides, French and Dutch. That's why state government also was very proper and people were very satisfied. Third, they made the community government. Under the community government, you will find that they, during that period, they were paid attention on the basis of language, on the basis of culture and other basis. So they respected the other people equal basis. In this way, third, community government also satisfied. In this way, in beginning we had seen that there was very difficult task, there was very complicated matter, but people of Belgium, they given the respect to the diversity. They just like they had given the respect to each and every people. That's why you will find that one complicated matter changed into easy matter. In this way, we have come to know that Belgium used the power sharing. Belgium used the power sharing. That's why Belgium become prosperous country. You will find. And Sri Lanka did not use the power sharing. That's why Sri Lanka faced the civil war. In this way, we have found that power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Democracy means using of the rule and regulation. It means that those people who use the rule and regulation on the basis of our constitution, so they become the success. In this way, through the story of Belgium, we have come to know the meaning of power sharing and the result of using the power sharing. Jai Gurudev. In next period, next video, I will explain about the Sri Lanka, story of Sri Lanka, and then in this chapter, in this story of Sri Lanka, you will come to know that that Sri Lanka used the preferential policy. That's why Sri Lanka had to face the civil war. Okay. Jai Gurudev students. Okay.